April 3rd, the 2026 Dujiangyan Water Releasing Festival grandly kicked off. More than 50 diplomats to China from 16 countries, including Malta, Germany, Spain, Thailand, and Vietnam, gathered in Dujiangyan, Chengdu, alongside visitors from around the world. Together, they took part in this millennium-old cultural celebration, immersing themselves in the wisdom and heritage of Dujiangyan's ancient water management system.
It is my first time and I'm very happy to be here. The welcoming has been amazing. The people are wonderful in Dujiangyan, and the fact that we are experiencing history, working together with China pulling the rope, which is a symbol of our friendship between the different countries, Spain and China. The dancers, the actors, the words, the setting, everything is very impressive, and it's very, you can explain why this is a UNESCO cultural heritage spot. It's very important because it reflects a lot of, working together, humankind, the people, and making things possible for, make land more prosperous.
我是第一次来参加放水节的，来之前就听说都江堰好像是从古代之后建起到现在还仍然使用的一个水利工程。我非常羡慕中国古代的特别是礼兵，他们那个年代那么早就可以想出有那么长久价值的一个想法。穿上中国的那个古代的那个衣服的话，总是有觉得穿越时代那个感觉啊，让大家可以更好的感受到那时候的人民怎么生活，然后中国文化的发展是怎么样的一个历程。
It's my first time being part of the ceremony, and I think the thing that impressed me the most, I would say the matcha. Like when I had to pull up the rope, it was really impressive, and I had to pull up the rope, so it really helped me to understand more about the culture, how they did that 2000 years ago, and I'm really impressed about how smart the people were 2000 years ago to actually be able to build that. I think he will be very impressed today and very grateful that if he can be here today to see that people are still enjoying what he did in the past. And last year, my President Emmanuel Macron, came here on that place, and to stand on his feet feels amazing, and I think it really helps to build a strong cooperation between France and China, and build a bridge between our two countries and to help develop the friendship between our two countries.
More than 2,000 years ago, Li Bing, governor of Shu, led the construction of the Dujiangyan irrigation system to spare the people from devastating floods and turn water to their benefit. What was once a land plagued by unpredictable floods and droughts was transformed into a vast expanse of fertile fields. Today, Dujiangyan not only continues to serve vital functions in irrigation and water management, but also stands as a symbol of Chinese wisdom and governance, embodying the principles of adapting to local conditions, working with nature, achieving harmony between humanity and nature, and harnessing water for the benefit of the people.
We are very proud to participate and as part of a delegation from Marsa Scala, Malta. The festival was beautiful, and it shows your customs and traditions, which we admire very much. Okay, it was a nice festival. I enjoyed mostly the release of the water, because it's something that occurred many years ago, and it's still working now to help the agriculture and everything. It is very good, very nice. Yes.
And we're very proud that we are here today to celebrate this beautiful feast with you.
Last year we have the 50th anniversary of the Thai and Chinese diplomatic relations, because in Thailand we have Songkran. Songkran is the traditional Thai New Year. So last year we do the joint promotion of these two UNESCO certified water festival, which are the most, two of the most wonderful water festival of the world. Most is that is the wisdom and that has been passing down from generation, from solving the problem of flooding every year, and turn it into this irrigation system where it works, where you can control the water flow, and that's for the well-being of the people. So this is something that is been passed down from generation, that the leaders of the Chinese during the dynasty or during this time, they always have the well-being of the people at heart.
Ancient waters flow on, and the cultural legacy endures. As one of China's first recognized intangible cultural heritage events, the Dujiangyan Water Releasing Festival has evolved into a cultural celebration that transcends borders. When the rope, symbolizing unity and cooperation, is pulled together, the surging waters of the Minjiang River carry more than just the life source that has nourished the Chengdu plain for over 2 millennia. They also embody a living stream of civilization, connecting past and present and linking China with the world.